hour drive, but we'll make it happen one of these days. Hell, we got a scheduled collaboration coming up. We'll have to put a date on it. That way I can make it happen. That way we can make it happen. She said we gonna keep that plenty's going around this piece. What up, G Mama Girls? What you got going on today? I know. Did you have a video this morning, or is it gonna be after you get up out of here? I know you got one ready. You got one ready. You clipping up just like I'm clipping up. Shit. It's the one thing about Plant. You always got content, cause you always got something to do. Hit that record button while you're doing it, though, right? Shouts out to keeping it easy, because that's how easy making content is when you're doing something. Keep trying to tell you what you're doing is content, so make sure you hit record. Shout out to Spider Pig, though. He got the ultimate set of cheat codes, because hell, me watching content and then being able to get paid for it is something that's easy to do. You see, I already know it's a premiere for today, because we know you got plenty wet plenties over that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? G Mama Grows keep plenty. That made me almost want to listen to that song. Matter of fact, since I do want to listen to that song, let me just start fronting like I'm not fitting to go listen to it. Because I forgot. We got it queued up. A cappella, so I can hear the exact verse I want to hear anyways. Shouts out to our video sponsor, Held It Down with their beats, but you know, now it's time to grow on, right? Yes sir. Here we go with our promotionals. Y'all know I gotta pay them bills. Y'all got bills? I gotta pay mine. So you see what I'm saying? We gonna hit that bill payer right here. Click, click, boom.
Did you know that vegetarian is an old Native American word? It means bad hunter. These are farm facts with Granny.
Shout out to the Jay. Y'all know he pays for that Buy Me Coffee membership 1 year at a time and gets it cheaper because he pays for the full year at one time. You see what I'm saying? You get about 2 months for free when you pay for the full year, so you only pay 10 months instead of 12. But we appreciate that because he's on his second 1 year subscription. Y'all know to go check him out. He live right now too. The Jay Jordan. Y'all know that short video got over 10,000 views on it too. Shouts out to that short. We got 10K views on the video. We got that checked off. Shouts out to that. Then we remixed it with a collab from the homie. Check that off too. Yeah, y'all already know. Y'all got wrenches. Go check out that premiere.
Resources and fabulous guests all along the way. Today we got
look.
a guest that's going to be talking about some fabulous resources that he's using so that you can help grow your health, business, and your wealth. Today's special guest has a greener thumb than old McDonald himself. The stuff that the plants that this gentleman grows will make anybody say E-I-E-I-O. Now, when it comes to understanding agriculture, George Washington Carver has reincarnated himself in the form of a man from
G-Dang, what up though?
When it comes to growing things, he makes a jolly green giant.
Make sure you get your networking in, homie. Some good people in the chat today.
For today's featured guest, consultant and agriculturalist extraordinaire. This time, sit for TWP.
Hey, welcome back.
Yeah, saying close up to the head.
Hey, there you go.
Thank you for that great introduction. I'm trying to do what I can do. All right.
Remember, quitting drugs is viewed more positively than never taking them. Until we meet again!
We kept plugging away with the weed deliveries, and we kept meeting different kinds of smokers, like this lady. She's an I'm only creative if I smoke smoker. She believes weed and only weed brings out the artist in her.
Would you like to hear some of my poetry?
Nah,